Hello, and this is my workflow and 10. In this workflow, you can see that I have a WhatsApp webhook trigger that triggers when someone sends me a message and then extract the information of the sender, time, and what is the message. So here you can see that this is my annotated workflow. I will show you now. When I run this, it gets the data, extract the information, and load the information to the Google Sheet. Now here you can see the information is saved, timestamp, and name of the message, and here you can see that in the webhook it's been triggered and all the information is here now. And for the WhatsApp trigger part, I have used Waha WhatsApp and WhatsApp API that you can create your WhatsApp here, and then if you want to get a message from or use a trigger, you can use that setup in Waha WhatsApp. I am using Docker to run this. So this is my simple setup of WhatsApp Google Sheets in N10. Thank you.